Hello friends, I'm Amarnath, Faculty of Public Administration for last 14 years. We will discuss some of the questions asked previously in UPSC mains. So, in this session, let me talk about the questions asked in 2021. So, if we take these questions, let me take the first question, that is the question on public management. The question is, public management takes what and why from public administration and how from business management. So there are two things. So what public management takes, what and why from public administration, and how from business management. Right? First of all, explain what is public management. What are the factors that led to emergence of public management? Then what is the impact? What is the impact of this public management, particularly on the concerns of public administration, and highlight that the impact of this liberalization or neoliberalization or new right philosophy and public administration is loss of ethicalness and moralness. We all know that, right? That is explain that the managerial orientation has led to loss of publicness in public administration. So now go to the core part of the answer. That is, so as there is a loss of publicness in public administration, right? So what is required is what of public administration. What is required is the what, right? That is the normative concerns. The normative concerns of public administration. So public administration is a discipline where we cannot exclude the normative considerations, that is the welfare, providing of services, right, responsiveness to the needs and demands of society, the problems of society. So why it is required? So why these are required? Why? Because as I said earlier, there is a loss of ethicalness and moralness in public administration. All right. So this is first part of the answer. Next part of the answer is, it takes how from business management. That is, how is related with the concept of how is related with the strategies that should be implemented. Strategies that should be used for implementing the decisions. So how best the public policies, programs, decisions of the government can be executed. So by executed with an intention of promoting efficiency and economy. So these are the basic things. So what and why is what is concerned with the normative considerations. Why is because of the impact, because of loss of ethicalness and moralness, and how is using of best principles, best strategies for executing, for implementing. So conclude your answer by saying that public management in the contemporary period requires both what and how, which can be seen as two wheels of public administration. So now in the contemporary era, right, what and how is more important. So we cannot exclude, right, either of these two. So this is how you can conclude the answer.